Other silkworms we did.
Okay, I'm muting everyone. Okay, raise your hand.
Ma'am, still the board is. This is only for now.
And you have muted everyone. Okay, so now I'll be continuing with the relationship between that class to that chapter, relationship between the plants and animals. So we discussed what all we discussed: sericulture. We discussed what is the other thing? Beehive. Yes, that apiculture. Apiculture is breeding of the bees. Sericulture, breeding of the worms. Okay, so that's the thing. So here, yes, silkworms. Next, coming to the this one, pisciculture. 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 Okay, pisciculture. Pisciculture. Okay, in pisciculture, it is rearing of fishes. Rearing of fishes. Rearing of fishes. Okay, so in pisciculture, it is reared. Okay, the fishes is reared. Okay, the fishes is reared in the what? In the separate aquarium kind. So separately the water is there, in that the fishes is being reared. Okay, the fishes is reared. Rearing means you are growing the fish artificially, so that you should not be disturbing the ponds and lakes, no, natural pond and all. If you disturb the fishes which are there in the natural ponds, then we use it for our eating purpose, so that many people will get protein out of it and energy, protein and all that. Okay, but what will happen is so if you remove all the fishes, then the ocean or sea will be fishless. There won't be any fishes, there won't be any aquatic life. Okay, so we should not disturb any natural resource. Okay, so rearing means separately take a kind of aquarium. Separately you put one fish, you take one or two fish from the natural pond or the lake, put it in the aquarium. Okay, and from that it reproduces to give many fishes. One fish reproduces to give many fishes, and that fishes only they select, they use it for eating purpose. Okay, they use it for eating purpose. Okay, so examples of fishes is catla. Okay, example you can write as catla, rohu, catla, rohu. So catla is with bone, rohu is boneless. This is catla is boneless. Okay, this is with bone. It is used for eating purpose, for it is edible. Okay, it is used for eating or edible. Okay, so from that what all will come? Protein, carbohydrate, and also it is used in the medicines called liver oil for heart patients. Okay, called liver oil, the heart patients. Okay, so yeah, fish which lives in ponds, rivers, yes, that rohu fish or catla fish, they will remove from that pond. Then and they build a separate big aquarium kind. Okay, and they put there separate big pond or aquarium that keeps like reproducing. Okay, and from that only they use it for eating purpose. Okay, that is pisciculture. Okay, so next coming to the what? Poultry farming. Poultry farming is the same thing, right? What is poultry farming? Poultry farming is Rearing of hen. Poultry farming is rearing of hen for egg purpose. Okay. Yes, catla and rohu are the names of the fishes. Okay. So chapter name. Chapter name is relationship between plants and animals. Okay. Yes. So yes, done writing. Shall I erase? I'm erasing. Okay, I'm erasing. Next. Okay, poultry. 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 What do you mean by poultry? Poultry is rearing of hens. Rearing of hens for production of eggs. Okay. Yes, note it down. Production of eggs. No pots and clay. Who is this, Dhanush? Okay. So next is what? What? The rearing of the hen for production of eggs. Okay. So now I'll just give an example. Okay. You can take the gunia fowl. Okay. You can take the gunia fowl. That you can say gunia fowl. Okay. So chicken. Okay. Gunia fowl can be used. G-U-N-E-A. Fowl. Okay. F-O-U-L. Fowl. Okay. Gunia fowl can be used. Okay. It is used for yielding meat and eggs. For yielding production of eggs and also for meat, chicken. Okay, so the chicken, it gives it is fully, has complete the carbohydrates, proteins, oil and everything. So it is used for meat. For example, it's a gunia fowl. That is the name of that particular hen. One of the example. Okay, so rearing of hens for production of eggs and the meat. Example, gunia fowl. Okay. Shall we move on to next topic? Just write and then let the textbook just write. Okay. Yes, next. Next, production of milk. Production of milk. Yes, I'm writing. After of is partil, some partil, okay. Of eggs, production of eggs. Use for meat. Use for meat. Okay, I'm erasing the word. Done writing. Done. I'm erasing. Take the screenshot otherwise. Next, production of milk. Okay, production of milk. Production of milk. For production of milk, so what are you use? They use for milk production, cows and buffaloes. Okay, buffalo and cows. Buffaloes, for example, buffaloes. Okay, B-U-F, buffaloes, B-U-F-F, A-F-O-S. For example, buffaloes, Jafarabadi. Okay, J-A-F-F, A-R-A-B-A-D-I. E-A-D-I. Jafarabadi, Murrah, M-U-R-R-A-H. Okay, and Mehta, M-E-H-S-A-R-N-A. Okay, and cows. Cows, examples of cows, Gir, comma, Sahiwal, S-A-H-I-V-A-L. Haryana, H-A-R-Y-A-N-A. H-A-R-Y-A-N-A. Good breeds of cow. Okay, so they are red. Okay, these cows are red. Okay, rearing. Okay, these cows are red. Okay, these cows and buffaloes are red for milk. For milk. For milk production, it is red. For milk production, it is red. Okay, so here the Jafarabadi, Murrah, Mehsana. Okay, that is the name of the buffaloes. Okay, and cows, Gir, Sahiwal, Haryana, all these cows and buffalo, mainly they make the meat so much that they big fat and they are used only for milk production. Okay, there is rearing of cow. Okay, means more and more is being bred. The cow is bred for the milk production. The name of the cow, yeah, the name of the thing. Okay, don't go somewhere else. Okay, Samant. Okay, so Shamant. Okay, so next, yeah, so next, these are good breeds of cow. So they have maximum % of milk. Okay, so next is what? Next is the production of wool. Yes, note it down. Production of wool. Production of wool. Yeah. Dow session last. Please, write and keep. I'll finish this and I'll put you in Dow session the last. Okay. Done writing, everyone? Shall I erase? All of you done? Please give a heads up, everyone. Okay, I'm erasing now. I'm erasing. Please take a screenshot and erase it. Okay, so next is production of wool. So production of wool, obviously sheep is red. Sheep, goat, all that is red for the production of wool. Okay. So next, coming to the other uses of animals. Other uses of animals: color, tanning, for cochineal, colors, color, tanning, color, tanning, colors. You can write it. TANIN, tannin color. Okay, tannin color and cochineal. COCHINOL. These four colors are obtained from dry body. Colors are obtained from dry body. From dry bodies. Okay, so scaly insects. More scaly insects. More scaly insects present on cactus. Present on cactus. Okay, so these the tannin and cochineal. Tannin and cochineal present on the cactus. The insect present on the cactus, they use it for the colors purpose. Okay, they take and use it for colors and from the dry body of the scaly insect. So the cactus consists of the insects. Okay, these insects have the colors called tannin and cochineal. Tannin and cochineal. Okay, so it is used for color, for extracting of color, and also used in cosmetics. Used in cosmetics. 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 So usually the lipstick and all is there, right? Okay, the cosmetics, lipstick, nail polish, all that it is extracted from these insects. Okay, yes, note it down. Okay, the last one is the medicinal use. Canteridine. Okay, for medicinal use. I just write up. Okay, here I am writing. Okay, canteridine. CANT. Okay, HERIDINE. Canteridine medicine is used obtained from blister insects. Obtained from the insects like blister beetles. Okay, blister beetles. BLISTER. Blister beetles, insects. Okay, beetles. Okay, blister beetles, insects. Okay. Okay, insects. Okay, used to prevent hair fall. Used to prevent hair fall. Okay. Catedrine. C-A-N. It is C. C-A-N. C. You can see here C. Okay. C-A-N-T-H-E-R-I-D-I-N-E. Not all few cosmetics. Few organic cosmetic, they say, no, that is extracted from organic one. That is extracted from this insect present on the cactus. And Catedrine obtained from the blister beetles insects used to prevent hair fall. Means this, maybe this ingredient or this chemical they put inside your shampoos. Okay, the shampoo will have, especially the organic shampoos, and it is used to prevent hair fall. Okay. Yes, note it down. Yes, they do not produce wool. Wool is produced from sheep. I purposely didn't write that. Because you all know sheep board and all, it is reared in Kashmir and all. Okay, for wool purpose. They give jackets, shawls. Okay. And it is used for jackets and shawls. Okay. And Pashmina shawls from Kashmir is very famous. It is 100% wool of the sheep. Okay. Lac. Okay, lac is 50%. Lac is, no, that beetle name is blister beetles. Blister, I don't know. The beetle name is blister beetles. Okay. Lac culture. Okay, lac culture is what? It is 50% of lac is produced in India. Okay, lac is, yes, the lac, LAC, is produced from in India, that is 50%. Okay, from where it is produced? From the juices of the stick. Okay, twigs and stick. Okay, the insect, there are some lac insects. I think I made you write in the last class. About the lac. Okay, so this lac thing, it is used where? From the this one. The lac insects are extracted for the juice. Okay, and this 50% lac is produced from the Rangini crop. Okay, and is used to prepare dyes, bangles, jewelry. Yes, blister beetle is the name of that beetle. Okay. Blister beetle. Blister beetle. There are full name is the name of the insect. Okay, blister beetle. Dishan. Blister beetles. Name is only blister beetles. Okay. That's why I mentioned as insect. That beetle name is only blister beetle. That blister beetle insect is used to prevent hair fall. No, that is for our use. It won't harm the plants. It won't harm the plants. It is for our use, for the timber and all. Okay, for polishing timber and everything, they use that insect. Organic one. Okay, done. All of you done? So this chapter is over. Okay, we move on to the last chapter, that is tribals. Everyone done writing? We'll go to the last chapter. Okay. All of you done? Shudha, Ayu, Ganika, Sohan, nowadays no doubt, Pavan, Deepesh. Kishan, all of you done? Okay, I'll move to next chapter. Next chapter, that is tribals. No, the tribal thing I have not taught you. Last chapter. Tribal communities in forest. Tribal communities and forest. As I'm arrayed in the board. Tribal communities and forest. Shivani, you have not updated your notes, I think. It's done. Water chapter is done. Are you finished with the tribal communities? Yes, don't give all. See, one is saying it is done, one is saying it is not done. Amok, are you there? I'll check your notes. Okay, some are saying it is done, some are saying it's not done. And you go and complain, this teacher has not done. Please be clear when I am doing the chapter, you have to be very clear. Later, don't go and complain somewhere else. I get very angry. Yes, Ammo, yes, tell me. Tribal communities is done.
Ma'am, here you gave beetles, blister beetles. Ma'am, blister beetles bite us like they harm humans.
No, it won't harm. It is extracted for commercial purpose.
Okay, ma'am.
Extracted for commercial purpose. Okay, Amog, yes, this tribal community is done for you guys. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Tribal communities you did yesterday, ma'am, and you finished tribal communities.
Okay, fine, good. Okay, then we are done with all the portions. Please go to your textbook.
Yes,
I'm done with
ma'am.
the MCQs. Pratham, then you are not updated, yaar. Why you say no? You miss the class and you say you confuse the teacher also. Please go to your notes, textbook. Tell me whichever is not done. Then don't go and complain.
Ma'am, you have to do with natural disasters.
Natural disasters. Okay, I'll start that now. Okay, fine, Danyasri. Then I'll go with the natural disasters. Shall I erase the board? Okay, fine. Yes, so next is the natural disasters is very easy. Okay. Okay, natural disasters is the earthquake. Earthquake is usually caused very there's a big what Danush? I'm not understanding you. Okay, please go through the recording, dear. Please go to the recording, okay, and read all the textbook. Whoever have missed the class, please go to the textbook, okay. Read everything in the textbook. Note down what all you didn't understand, okay. And whenever my class is there, discuss with me, okay. Don't worry, Danush. Okay, fine. So this natural disasters, first one is the earthquake, okay. Causes is earthquake. earthquake. First thing is earthquake. Earthquake is the tectonic plates caused due to collision of tectonic plates. Caused due to collision of tectonic plates. Okay, caused due to collision of tectonic plates. T. Okay. Yes. Okay. So next, Sohan, better stay out of my meeting. Always you want to run away from the class. Why you even attend my class? I don't know. Earthquake caused due to collision of tectonic plate, energy is released. Means what? Here the two plates underneath the earth, what will happen? Because of high pressure and temperature, under high pressure and temperature. Okay, under high pressure, okay, under very high temperature and temperature, underneath the earth, the plates of the earth start shaking with each other. Okay, it starts shaking with each other. Okay, as it starts shaking with each other, what will happen? What will happen? It will start shaking with each other. Okay, so now, just a moment. Yeah, so what will happen? Here, that shaking with each other, it will start rubbing with each other. As it is rubbing with each other, energy is released. Because of high energy, the whole land breaks apart. And because the land breaks apart, the whole building and whatever the property is there, it goes inside that land. And the huge, huge harm is produced for the human and animals and the property. Okay, so that is the plate's energy is released under high pressure and temperature. Okay, so and leading to break in a big break, leading to landslide. Breaking of land, the big land gets broken. Breaking of land. Okay, as it just breaking, so what will happen? The energy is released. So now what will happen? Because of that, the buildings, whatever is there, go inside the land, and many people will die because of it. Okay, many people will die, and also there is a lot of harm caused to the property. They lose their home. Many people will become homeless and all that. Okay. So next, so landslide occurs in mountains. So usually there's a destruction in man-made things. Okay. So usually, yes. Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, yes, Dhruva, tell me what doubt you have.
Yes, ma'am. You said that they will give textbook, no, ma'am, but I have not got it, ma'am.
Contact management. Okay, please contact
Okay,
the
ma'am.
management. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, Saurav, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, this is Amol, not Saurabh.
Yes, Saurav. Okay, Amol, tell me.
Ma'am, the tectonic plates are there, no, ma'am, and when they shake, the earthquake causes.
Please repeat.
Ma'am, when tectonic plates shake, the earthquake causes. Ma'am, in that, how will the energy be produced to make the whole earth shake, ma'am?
Pressure and temperature, high pressure and temperature without water. Here also you are putting a lot of pressure on the earth. You are walking, so many vehicles are moving around on the earth only. So big vehicle, they are putting a lot of pressure from outside. From inside, there you have not studied the earth crust. Okay, there is a big lava iron thing. Okay, that big because of the heat, it is very hot inside the earth crust. If you dig land, ice, you keep digging inside the core of the earth or the crust, it is very hot. That is very hot. It can't bear that thing, the pressure. Ultimately, that the land starts shaking because it has to remove that whatever the energy is there. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my friend said that the Earth's core is more heated than the sun's heat.
Okay. So that's why it will start shaking. Okay. Especially Rajasthan, Gujarat, and all, because highly dry area. It is not
Yes.
hydrated. There's no water. So what will happen? It keeps shaking, shaking, shaking. It just breaks apart, and energy is released. Okay.
Ma'am, maybe the earthquake is caused in Africa or something.
Huh?
Ma'am, earthquakes are majorly caused in Africa.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, because they're straight to the, ma'am, they're in the equator.
Okay, yes, yes. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Pratiksha, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt about the fish, ma'am. That fish have a swim blade, ma'am. Ma'am.
Fish was?
Have a swim bladder, ma'am.
Katla and Rohu. Name of the fish that is big cultured. That is called pisciculture. P is silent. That is pisciculture. P is silent. Okay. Pisciculture.
Okay, ma'am.
In the bracket, Dhanush, breaking of land. The land gets broken. That is the earthquake. Okay, it starts shaking. Okay, it starts shaking and land gets broken.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my chat box is not working, ma'am. For asking doubt, ma'am.
Okay, ask your doubt now. When I have given you chance, you should not waste time like this, Pratiksha. Others are waiting. Others are waiting for their chance. Ask your doubt fatapat and mute yourself. You should be like respect others. They are waiting for your chance. Okay, it's like you are all standing in the queue. Okay, done. With doubt session. Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Chintana. Tell me, what doubt you have?
Ma'am, can you explain a physical culture?
Pisciculture is rearing of fish in the aquarium or separate pond, lake built by the man. Okay, separately the man builds the aquarium or the pond or lake, and there he start culturing the fish. Okay, separately, and that fish reproduce nicely, and that fish is used for eating purpose. For example, Katla and Rohu are the main examples of the fish.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and how to pronounce COCHINOL.
Cocaine.
Ma'am, means
That is a chemical. That is for hair fall and all. No, some no, colors. I told you for color. It is for colors. It has been extracted from that insect present on the cactus. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Next, Tanya Shri. Tell me.
Ma'am, in this, in the relationship between human and animals, in our textbook, practice exercise is there, no, ma'am? And 28th question, which animal's wool is common in Ladakh and Tibet, no, ma'am? They're not given about this in lesson, no, ma'am.
28th question. Okay, 28th question. In which part of
Yes,
the body
ma'am.
that is
Which
produced?
animals?
It is understood, no, Tanya. It is hard, no. So easy question. Even it is not there in the textbook. Yeah, I made you learn in that
Not that.
circulatory system. I had taught you.
Human and animals. Relationship.
Yeah, there you have learned. Okay, it
Not
will be
humans,
mixed. The
ma'am.
questions will be
Relationship
mixed.
between
Okay.
humans and animals.
Okay, any other doubt?
Ma'am, it is written as which animal wool is common in Ladakh and Tibet. That
Which
question. Ma'am, which animal's wool is common in Ladakh and Tibet?
I think which question? I mean options.
Ma'am, sheep wool, goat wool, yak wool, camel wool.
Yak. I think it's yak. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, we did not learn about this now, ma'am, in the...
It's okay. You must know. Extra knowledge. That is the general knowledge. Okay. Science is different from GK.
Okay,
General knowledge means
ma'am,
the
it
extra
can
thing
be-
we know, how we read that newspaper and all, not like that. That is okay.
Ma'am, and one more doubt I have, ma'am. Below it, 30th question. Timber wood is which part of plant? The options are given primary folium, secondary folium, primary xylem, and secondary xylem.
Go with timber, no? Okay. I think it is secondary phloem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is the surface of the bark. Okay.
Ma'am, they have given us secondary xylem. Ma'am, what is the meaning of it?
Secondary
Xylem and
xylem.
phloem?
Okay, that also okay. That xylem and phloem I had explained you in that what? During that water. Again, structural organization of plants. Xylem is transportation of water takes place to xylem, and phloem, transportation of food takes place to phloem.
Oh, that's xylem and phloem. Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Yes, others? Okay, I think it's
Ma'am,
time up.
one more doubt. Ma'am, one
Time
more
up,
doubt.
time up. You have another class. Please note down everything in your book, okay? Tomorrow I'll ask. Same people I'll ask, okay? I think Prithvi,
Okay, ma'am.
that Gurangappa, Danyashri, please keep everything in your book, okay? I'll ask you questions. Shivani,
Okay, ma'am.
Chaman, Sohan, everyone, okay? I'll ask you, all you people only. Okay, I'll close the session then. Thank you for joining. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.